Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, jewelry. We do a little bit of everything here. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And y'all, don't forget, we do have a couple active giveaways going on right now. We do have the Trend Mood Box giveaway and we have the Tati palette giveaway. So everything will be linked down below. But today we are going to be getting into the GlossyBox for January 2020. And for those of you that are not familiar, GlossyBox is a $21 a month beauty subscription. You usually receive 5 to 7 deluxe and sometimes full-sized items. And yeah, it's GlossyBox. When you think about the price point and what you end up getting, it is so hard to not want to compare it to BoxyCharm or like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And it's inevitable that you, at least for me, I compare it, and the wow factor really hasn't been there for me. I mean, there have been some good boxes, but just not there. I will put a link down below if you would like to check out GlossyBox. Because like I said, it's definitely a different beauty subscription. Sometimes there are items in here that, you know, you may not see in like an Ipsy or something. You know, I think one time we got like a hair clip or something, and you know, that's not something you're gonna see in like BoxyCharm or Ipsy. So it is its own subscription. I don't hate it. I don't dislike it. I'm just getting to a point where I don't really think it is for me anymore. But I have enjoyed it while it's been on my channel. But I've rambled. Let's get in here. Let's see what we got for January 2019 or 2020. Sorry. They do also now no longer send a card, so I cannot give you pricing on anything. They're doing that to save money. You can, if you are a member, you can log in and you can kind of look at the pricing information for each of the products, and that is how you can find out what you need to know. So took the lid off, and this is what we see. They do always tie it up really nice. Their presentation is amazing. I do have to give them that. The box for December was gorgeous, and they always tie it up. So this is what I see when we open it. So the first thing that caught my eye, again, this kind of goes to what I was talking about, is it's a little bit different than most subscriptions. We have a little like black velvet scrunchie. Scrunchies are making a comeback. I remember when I was in like middle school, it was like the coolest thing to wear your scrunchie around your wrist. You didn't even use it for your hair, right? You just had to wear it. And you had like a scrunchie for every color. Just like you had the bongo jeans in every color. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Do y'all remember? Let me know. So we have a black velvet scrunchie. So there's that. And then now I can't give you pricing, but I imagine this is probably somewhat pricey just because I know this brand is, and this is the Avant. This is a collagen, aloe vera, hyaluronic, lavender, glycerin, vitamin C, allantoin, age radiance, hydra bright collagen eye restoring pads. Woo, that was a lot. They are cruelty free. But here's what it looks like. So it's a set of eye patches from Avant. I do know this, again, is a very, very pricey brand. So even though it's just one pair of eye patches, I imagine it's probably up there in price. So there is our second item. And then we have, this is from Tree Hut. It says Sugar Lips. And this is a lip scrub in brown sugar. So there's that. I'm not going to open it because I may stick this in a future giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. All right. And then we have Mud Masky Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. pH balanced, repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, soothing, and protecting. I love sleep masks. So here's what it looks like. So it's obviously a deluxe size sample. All right, so wash face and hands, apply a thin layer to your face. Yeah, your face. To your face. Leave mask on during the night for at least 5 hours, maximum of 10. Remove mask in the morning with warm water and finish with cold. Use every night before going to bed. And again, it is cruelty free. So there is that guy right there. All right, and then we have Bibby, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly for the brand, Strawberry Booster, 100% cold pressed strawberry seed. What do you do? This is Day Booster. It's vegan and cruelty free. High content of omega fatty acids make this powerful skin softener to rejuvenate and improve the skin's moisture levels. So it's a facial, okay, so it's an oil. It's a facial oil. A strawberry facial oil? Now that is different. I don't have one of these. Ooh, it's cute. So there is what it looks like. So just do a couple drops. I don't really smell strawberry. All right, let's see how. I like facial oils, but I like facial oils that don't leave my skin feeling oily, you know, that do soak in and give that hydration that you're looking for. And I can definitely say that made my skin on the back of my hand super hydrated and super soft. There's really not much of a smell. But it is super soft. I do have to give it that. I have to give it that. So I'm excited about that. And then it looks like we have one more item in here. This is from Candy Cosmetics. Pre-Glow Up Mist. Get your skin glow ready. Oh, is this a facial mist? I love facial mist. I'm like obsessed. Spray the mist before or after makeup or on its own for refreshed and glowing skin. Oh, it's a facial mist, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, I'm not even gonna front. When I say I'm obsessed with facial mist, I mean I'm like obsessed. I love them so much. I will all day long. All right, let's see. Oh, and okay, so this almost reminds me of that the Iconic that we got in Boxy. But if you look at that. Oh, look at the swirlies. Oh, I love it. It doesn't say anything about shaking, but look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna spray it on my face, but kind of got it on my face anyway. It has a nice, just very, very light, refreshing scent. Ah, this made the box for me. This right here, this and the strawberry serum or oil. And I'm actually really excited about these. And scrunchies are back. So, like I said, the lip scrub will be going into a future giveaway, and I'll probably put this sleeping mask in a future giveaway as well. I do really enjoy sleeping masks, but I'm the person that I like the ones you don't have to wash off, because usually in the morning I'm like a zombie, and that's the last thing on my mind is to think, oh, let me go wash this off my face right now. No, I need coffee. So that was the GlossyBox for January 2020. I would have to say this actually was probably one of the better boxes. My skin right here feels amazing from the strawberry oil. I'm excited about the Avant Under Eye Mask, a facial mist, done. Yes. So this is my last box, and I don't plan to renew right now. But I do have to say, I think that I have decided to cancel at a great time. This box was really, really amazing, and I am happy to say that I am going away from GlossyBox for a while on a very, very good note. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. What item would you be most excited about? I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.